Good morning, everyone. Welcome to online CRT classes. Today we are going to discuss about letter analogy. Okay, letter analogy is nothing but one of the similar topic for letter series and coding and decoding. We already learned coding and decoding, how we are decode the words and letters which they given, and then we recently saw letter series also, right? So letter series is just how we are going to solve this series of the letters. So that everything we saw yesterday's class also. Okay, now here also same tips we have to follow. Same thing we need to do. Letter analogy. First, just letter analogy is nothing but just what's the same similarity in this. What's the similarity in this? We need to find out the similarities, right? So first thing, and generally I'm just giving the basics to you. So what you need to learn first of all, the A to Z numbers. That's nothing but ranking. So we know that A to Z ranking. What is ranking? It's nothing but numbers. A, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, and hope you people remember these numbers also. For this ranking numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So just once again, I'm just recalling this for you. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25 and 26. Here it is L. It is K. It is L. K. S. T. This was very important, that ranking letters and letter numbers, letter rankings, and you know that reverse order also, reverse order ranking also. I said many times in coding and decoding letter series, we just subtract 27 minus original ranking, original number. So if you want to find out the if you want to find out the J number, then 27 minus J, original number is nothing but 10. It is nothing but 17. Okay. In reverse order, it is 17. Like that, you have to find out the ranking in reverse ranking. Okay. And how to remember these numbers? That it's normal thing. I said in before also, it's just about 26 numbers. We can remember hundreds of numbers. We can easily remember the 26 numbers. And again, here we have some of the short letters is there. So here E, E5, J10, and O15, and T20, and Y25. So you can remember 5 letters easily, 5 letters and 5 numbers easily. Then ABCD, everyone is know that up to 4, and H is similar to 8 only. H is similar to 8. So 8. So 9 you can remember, and F, S, many. So these are some tricks is there, but I preferably, what I prefer, better to by heart these numbers. It is easy because it's not that much numbers, right? It's only 6. Sorry, it's only 26 numbers. You can easily remember these 26 numbers and 26 letters, and then as usual rankings in a reverse order. No need to remember. If you remember this straight forward order, then you can find a reverse order easily. Okay. Now, and second one, pairs. Do you remember the pairs? What are the pairs? Say, what is the P? P pair. Give me the answers now. What is the P pair? What I said, to remember this P. P, remember, Pavan Kalyan, PK. Okay, PK. Even American picture. I said, everything I given one day. Okay, do you remember or not? I don't know. So you just practice that. You just definitely remember. Yes, yes. How? What's the S? S pair of the letter. We say I given the many options. It is a Secunderabad, Hyderabad, or Sweetheart. We can give right leg. Okay. G. GT. GT Express. G. GT Grand Total. Gandhi Tata. I said Gandhi Tata. Do you remember or not? Okay, like this. This is also very important to solve this. So this way. I'll give all the numbers. So here GT and J, jockey and queen. Okay. And useful, UF, useful, I said. Do you remember or not? Okay. And David Warner. And Indian Railways. Indian Railways. And how many is there? And A, Z we know. B, Y, C, X, and then MN. What's the remaining? Is there anything is missing now? Okay, yes, yes. So actually important one is missing, right? Yes. L-O and V-E. So these are the pairs of the numbers. Remember this and this is very, very important. Okay, then first find out the logic here. First find out the logic here and give the answers for. So this section also you people will solve this section. I'm not going to solve this one. Okay. How many questions you people will solve? Just solve it today. Then the remaining problems I'll solve tomorrow for you. Okay. So better first you just from your side I want answers. So what's the first one answer? First one answer. How? D. Okay. Many people are saying D. See, A and A is there. P is there in between. E and E is there in between. Q is there. Okay. And what is it here? If two words will be there and similarity, similar pattern. So here see A is there and A is there. And what's the number? A is 1 and E is 5. Okay. And P is 16. Okay. And see here is 5 and here it is 16 and it is 17. So just check like this. Anything is there? BF. B is 2, F is 6. In between only 3 letters. So it is 4 only. So it is not going to be work out. And C and G. C and G. It is also only 3 letters in between. Okay, nice. Actually, 3 letters is there. And 3 letters is there. But Q is there and G is there. Okay, we cannot find this. D is there, H N is there. No. L, N, L, N, L, N. So it's not going to be possible. At least 3 letters are required, right? So I, O. I is 9 and O is 15. It is also not possible. But we just check this. So here we can take it as a vowels, right? Vowels. This is vowel. And A vowel in between P is there. In between P is there. And A vowel. And E is vowel. And in between Q is there. And again vowel. And then next number. See, here it is not vowels here. So only this one. I. I is vowel and R is there. And again I is there. Again O is there. Again S is there. Again O is there. So this is a vowel, this is vowel, and this is the next letter of this one. So this is P, it is 16, it's a Q is next letter of this one, and R is next letter is nothing but S. So D is the answer. Okay, nice. So you only give the answers, ma. I'm not going to give the answers. I'm saying once again, okay. For D, yeah, sorry for this one. Yeah, see guys, here, what you were saying, for second is answer AP. A is there, A is over, and similar as P is there. AP, okay, take the number, it is 1 and it is 16, okay, and E is 5 and Q is 17. Q is 17. What's the difference here? It is 15 and it is 12. So not a different matter. So you just check with the vowels only. A, P, E, Q, and next A, E, I, O, I, sorry, I and Q. Next R, right? I, R, O, S. I, R, O, S. Yes. Yeah. And then 3. What's the third question answer? See, I'm saying how many questions you can solve. Just try with that questions more. Okay, remaining questions I'll solve in tomorrow. Okay. No worries for today's. I'm just giving section for you only. So easy questions. Easy questions you solve this today. And remaining questions which you cannot solve today, then I will solve tomorrow's class. Okay. Now, so third question. I'm not going to giving any explanation today from this one also. First 2 questions just I given like this. But from now, what's the third question answer? Third question answer. Someone said D. Someone said C. C or D. Check this. J, A, J, K, E, K. What's the next letter? J, K. And what's the next letter? L. L, right? So directly you can take this one. That's it. Okay. And okay. Can I? Yeah, 63. Say. What 63? What do you want to say? You can. Now, what's the fourth one? A, Z, B, C, Y, D. See, A, Z, one is starting, one is from ending, and another one is from starting. And otherwise, C, Y, D they given, and then next E, X, F they given, and G, W, H they given. Okay, super. Nice answer. So fourth one, yeah, fourth one is, yeah, you can join ma. No worries. 63. You can join that. Okay. Okay, fourth one is A, right answer. And fifth one, say why fifth one. Letter will A, but there is no option. Huh? Okay. Option. Sometimes it's mistake will be there. No worries. Okay. What is the logic you have to find out first of all? What's the logic here behind this? Semi. You open the options. What's the logic you just find out? Between I and V, it's having 12 letters. Okay, the difference. I number is 9. Okay, what you are saying? I number is 9. Yes, of course. And what's that next letter? V. V letter is nothing but 22. What's the difference here? What's the difference? It is nothing but 13 difference, right? Okay, and difference is 13. And here from I N, I is 9 and N is 14. 5. Add 5 here. And V is 22. V is 22 and plus 5 will get 27. 27 is nothing but cycle. I said cycle. It is A. Okay. And even it seeing like this, it is nothing but 13 letters is there plus 13. Okay. N number is 14 plus 13 is 27. It's nothing but A again. Yeah. Everything, both the things same will get here, right? So 27 and 27 also. Even plus 5 also 27. 27 means it is reverse. Okay, then sorry. Then what's the next one? Sixth one. Find out the sixth one. Sixth one. Come on, guys, give. How many questions you people will solve? That many questions. That's it. Today's class. Q. Okay, MN. What's that logic? It is M and they given O. M letter is 13 and O is nothing but 17. Okay, plus 4. Okay. And N is 14 and it is 16. P is 16 plus 3. Okay, R is 18, right? R is 18 plus 4, 22. What's the 22? What's the 22 here? 22 number, U. No, V actually. Sorry, O is 15, right? Sorry. I'm sorry. O is 15. I just counted for Q, I think so. It is 2. It is 2, right? It is 2. It is 14 plus 16. It is also 2. Okay. So 2 plus 2. R is 18 plus 2. It's nothing but 20. It's nothing but 20. 20 is nothing but T, right? And R, S plus 2. 19 plus 2, 21. So TU will getting like this. Okay. But TU is not in the answers. Okay, we'll check any other way. In a reverse order. What's in reverse order numbers? M. M in reverse order. 14. Okay. And O reverse order number. It is 15 minus 27 minus 15. 12, right? 12. And here minus 2. Okay, minus 2. Okay. And then n number is 13 in a reverse order, and P number is reverse order. 16, 27 minus 16, 11. Here also minus 2. Okay, do the minus 2 actually. Do the minus 2 here. What is that? R 18 in reverse order. R is 18 in reverse order is nothing but 9. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 is G actually. Okay. And S is 19. 19 means they'll get 8. 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 is nothing but F. G, F. It is also not getting. Even reverse order also is not getting. Then how? Oh, someone said, who says 13. C, 6 is the D. How? Give the logic, ma. Give the logic, everyone. Give the logic for 6. One, 2, 5, 7 is odd numbers. Okay. Okay, take M is 13. How? Oh, M, which one is odd number? Ma, what you are saying? Which one is odd number? Okay. It's 13, 14. Okay. Not getting you actually. Who's this? M13. Okay, you can take 13, 13. M13, N14 actually. Okay. Then 15, then 16. Then here 18, 19. Say. So leave over the 6th one. It's not getting a clear answer also here. So see, we just solve the easy one now. Today you just solve the easy ones. I'll discuss some many difficult problems here. Many difficult problems is like this. Okay, you don't worry. I'll solve in tomorrow. That first of all you just solve what you people will solve. Okay. So 7th one. Just go with the 7th one. 7 ZA. Okay, ZA also is not there in options. Huh? Okay then. And then DC 8th one. D, C, D, C in a reverse order. H, G in reverse order. And next, you take 12. Okay, 12. DH. DH. What's the relation? Double, right? D is 4, H is double. No one. 7 is D. Okay. 7 is D. PQ. Is PQ or QP, ma? 7 is PQ. 7 is PQ. How? How? Someone said ZA. 8 is QP. 7 is D. Who says 23? 423. 7 is D. How? Seven QP. 7 QP. See, D and H is it's a fourth letter and it's eighth letter. It's third letter and it's it is seventh letter. Plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. And here 13 is here. So 13 plus 4. 13 plus 4 is the number 17. 17 is Q. Q and 12. 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4. 16. P. QP will be there. QP. But here the QP is not there. Okay. Now check. Ninth one. Check ninth one. TS, LK, TS, TS. So 2019 they given and 12, 11 they given and B, 2, 1 they given. And which one? Next one. Consecutive numbers. See. And then here TS, 20, 2019, LK 12, 12. It's nothing but is A9. 9A, okay. Ninth one A, okay. 26, 25, 24, 25. Which one, ma? 25, 26, 24, 25. And 1, 2. 7th, okay. 7th, 26, 20, 25, 26, okay. 24, 25. And AB, 1, 2, 1, 2. Next. Next, what's the numbers? 1, 2, consecutive numbers. See, eighth one, see, eighth one is, sorry, ninth one. Ninth one you just see here. So T is 20 and L is 12, and it's just having an 8 difference. And it is 19 and it is 11, 8 difference. And here B is there. B, what's the B number is in the options? 7th from the options, B, D, A, B. 2, 3 will be there, right? Even that, if you are saying, we get 16, 17, huh? Okay. Okay. We'll consider this now. Okay, we'll consider this 7th one. What about the 9th one? Wait. It is 2, it is 1, it is 0, it is 10. A, B, D, E, A, B, D, E, and then letter, leave the one letter, G, H, G, H, G, H, J, K, okay. 10th one is A, right? 10th one is A, and then 11th one, 11th one. See, R, A, G, D, E. See, here also same letters we are finding out. See here. R, A, G, D, E. Here also E, D, G, A, R. We solve these type of problems in coding and decoding. Do you remember this? So here, even the same numbers, same letters we have to find out. So here, what is that? First one last, and this last one is first, and this D is this side, and this is, so first is not the answer, and okay, second one also is not the answer, and here G is there, and E is there, and E is here, and G is here, and O is here, R is here. Okay. Okay, and here, yeah, C is the answer. First 11, C is the answer. Okay, and 12. What's that? 12? D, E. 4, 5 they given. It is 2, 3, right? And A, B, E. What is the A, B, E? Add this. A is 1, B is 2, and E is 5. So total 8. Then F, B, D. What is the F? 6, B, 2, D, 4. So 12. 12 is the answer. Okay, now this one 9, 8, 7. So same numbers 9, 8, 7. 6, F, 5, E, 4, D. This one is the answer, right? Okay, for this one K, E, K, T, 11, 20. K, T, 11, 20 they given. So K, see 20, T number is 20, K number is 11, and J number is 10, and R number is 18. This one is the answer, right? So 15. Just solve ma. Simple questions you just solve. So J equal to 26, Y equal to 25, T equal to 20. And what's the next letter? What's that next letter? 5. What's the difference? 4. 4 difference.